Hey guys, I'm back already. As you know, I recently did a cold start on my Zafira. I'm now doing a cold start on a 2002 2.2 DCI Renault Espace. It's been sat for 2 days. It's very cold outside. Temperature is when it finishes doing what it's got to do. It's running for 11 degrees outside, which is a lie. Here we go, guys. Here we go. There you go, look, fired right up. Well, there you go, guys. You've had it. You've now done a cold start on the Zafira and now the Espace. Guys, please comment, rate, subscribe, put thumbs up on my video, make my channel better. Thanks, guys.